Hey, bro. You got a spare tire?
Yeah, I do.
You want me to put the spare tire on for you?
You got an impact?
I got everything. I'll help you out for free, no charge.
Yeah, that would be nice. I was just getting someone to come out here.
Did you call them yet?
Yeah, but they're still over there. They're coming from work.
Oh, it's like your homeboy or something?
Right now, I was just telling you.
I got you. Hey, let me jack up your car real quick. Oh, these are already broken off. You already halfway stripped them, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna let you go right now. I was trying it with that L tool that comes with the car, but it wasn't working.
God damn, bro, them hoes. They on there.
I used an impact to put them on. Not people say that's not really best.
You use the air one?
No, the one that looks like yours.
Now those are pretty good, bro. You just gotta twerk it down to spec.
And you look like you're going to work or something.
This is you. You're watching me work.
You're like a mobile mechanic.
I do roadside assistance. Where's the rest of the boats?
You got the ones that are kind of stripped out because these are pretty big.
Now these are pretty trash too, honestly. They're all supposed to have caps on them.
Oh, like the skin?
Yeah.
I just think it'll be funny driving around with a bad spare tire.
I mean, you just got a flat today, so you got an excuse, you know what I mean? If you was driving around there for like a month, I'd be making fun of you myself.
Yeah. This car saw me get my